Namaste, welcome back to Tomato Blues. What is the first thing that you do as soon as you set foot into the kitchen in the morning? I begin brewing my chai. In my house, my mom or my dad always brews filter coffee, but for me, it's chai. I spice my chai with ginger and cardamom generously, and then I let it brew as I go about doing my other chores. There is something so satisfying and so heartwarming to sip on some chai once you finish cleaning up the whole kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I prepared a minimal prep lunchbox. It's quite healthy, hearty and protein rich. I'm going to be showing how I packed aloo baingan, some instant pot green moong dal and some regular sona masuri rice. The rice and the green moong dal were cooked using the instant pot and pot method. It's pretty straightforward. There is nothing complicated about cooking this particular combination because both the green moong dal and the rice cook in almost similar times. The aloo baingan is also pretty easy. I used basic pantry staples, and maybe the only extra ingredient that I used here is the Kitchen King masala. The detailed recipe for the aloo baingan is on my Instagram. The green moong dal is on my website. You can look it up using Tomato Blues, green moong dal on Google, and you should be good to go. And that's about it. And because I like to pack some extra crunchy raw vegetables, let's just say I'm quite lazy to whip up a salad in the morning, so I added some sliced radishes and cucumbers today. Unlike the Indian radishes or the daikon variety, these pink radishes do not smell so much, so I'm quite comfortable packing them for lunchbox. I used to pack this in an insulated lunchbox, but my husband no longer prefers it, so it's just going to be a normal stainless steel tiffin box today. That's about it. We'll see you all in another video. Bye bye.